If a customer wants to pay using more than one payment method, such as part cash, part bank transfer, part POS, Overloop system supports split payment. On the payment screen, you proceed to payment and you choose the split payment to begin. Next, you tap the plus sign beside each payment method you want to use. Enter the amount to be paid with each method. As you do this, ensure that the combined amount equals the total order value before proceeding. Yeah, so I choose POS, SLN Bank, paying 5,000 naira with my POS, bank transfer, select bank. I'm paying 40,000 naira with my bank transfer, and I have cash. And now here I have pay remaining. Pay remaining means that I'm paying the due balance, but pay all means that I'm not splitting the payment anymore. I want to pay everything in cash. So I'll choose pay remaining, and now my due balance is 0.00 naira. So I'll submit, and here I have my receipt. Now, under my receipts, the payment method is showing that it's split: POS 5,000 naira, cash 10,250, and transfer 40,000 naira.